Hello students, as all of you know, I am doing quadratic equations, which is chapter 4 from class 10 embossed textbook, and already I have completed up to 4i, and today I am doing 4j, which is the last exercise of this chapter. Here question number 1 is, A takes 10 days less than time taken by B to finish a piece of work. If both A and B together can finish the work in 12 days, find the time taken by B alone to finish the work. Here we can consider, let B takes X days to finish a work. Now in the question it is given that A takes 10 days less than the time taken by B to finish a piece of work. So A takes X minus 10 days to finish the work. Suppose B can do the work in 2 days. So in 1 day B can do half part of the work. Here we have taken B takes X days to finish a work. Therefore in 1 day B can complete 1 by X part of the work, and A can complete 1 by X minus 10 part of the work. As given in the question, A and B together can complete the work in 12 days. So in 12 days A plus B together can do the work. Therefore in 1 day A plus B can complete 1 by 12 part of the work. Now in 1 day B can do 1 by X part. In 1 day A can do 1 by X minus 10 part, and together in 1 day they can complete 1 by 12 part of the work. So 1 by X plus 1 by X minus 10 equals to 1 by 12. This is the work done by B in 1 day. This is the work done by A in 1 day, and this is the part completed by A and B together in 1 day. LCM of X and X minus 10 will be X into X minus 10. This LCM divided by X will be X minus 10. So I have written here X minus 10 plus this LCM divided by X minus 10 will be X equals to 1 by 12. Now X plus X twice X minus 10, X into X, X square minus X into 10, 10X equals to 1 by 12. Now if we cross multiply X square minus 10X into 1, it will remain same. X square minus 10X equals to 12 into twice X minus 10. So X square minus 10X equals to 12 to the 24X minus 12 into 10, 120. So it will be X square minus 10X minus 24X plus 120 equals to 0. So X square minus 24X and minus 10X, this will be added. So it will be minus 34X plus 120 equals to 0. So we got one quadratic equation, X square minus 34X plus 120 equal to 0. This equation can be solved in various ways. Here I am doing it by middle term factorization. Here coefficient of X square is 1 and constant term is 120. If we multiply 1 and 120, it will be 120. Since this 120 is positive, so we need two numbers whose sum should be 34 and product should be 120. Now 120 can be written as 1 into 120, 2 into 60, 3 into 40, 4 into 30, 6 into 20. Since we need two numbers whose sum should be 34, so we can take 30 and 4. So instead of 34X, we can write 30 plus 4. So X square minus 30 into X, 30X, plus minus minus 4X plus 120 equals to 0. From here X common, X minus 30. From here minus 4 common, X minus 30 equals to 0. So X minus 30, X minus 4 equals to 0. So either X minus 30 equals to 0 or X minus 4 equals to 0. So from here X will be 30 and from here X equals to 4. If X equals to 30, then B takes 30 days to complete the work and A takes 10 days less. So 30 minus 10, it will be 20 days. So from this part we got B takes 30 days to complete the work and A takes 20 days to complete the work. Again, if I consider X equals to 4, then B takes 4 days to complete the work and A takes 10 days less. So 4 minus 10, it will be minus 6. Since number of days cannot be negative, so we have to reject this case. So B alone can finish the work in 30 days. That's the required answer. Question number 2. A and B together can do a piece of work in 6 days. While working separately, B takes 5 days more than A. How many days each take to do it alone? Let A takes X days to finish a work, and in the question it is given that B takes 5 days more. Therefore, we can consider B takes X plus 5 days to finish the same work. A takes X days to finish a work. Therefore, in one day, A can complete 1 by X part of the work, and B can complete 1 by X plus 5 part of the work. Now, according to the question, in 6 days, A and B together can complete the work. Therefore, in one day, A and B together can do 1 by 6 part of the work. So, A can do 1 by X part in one day, B can do 1 by X plus 5 part in one day, and together they can do 1 by 6 part. So, 1 by X plus 1 by X plus 5 equals to 1 by 6. If we take the LCM of X and X plus 5, then LCM will be X into X plus 5. This LCM divided by X, it will give X plus 5, plus this LCM divided by X plus 5 will give X equals to 1 by 6. X plus X twice X plus 5 divided by X into X, X square, plus 5 into X, 5X equal to 1 by 6. If I cross multiply, it will be X square plus 5X equals to 6 2 12X plus 5 6 30. So X square plus 5X minus 12X minus 30 equals to 0. So X square minus 12X plus 5X equal to minus 7X minus 30 equals to 0. So we got one quadratic equation, X square minus 7X minus 30 equals to 0. Now if we multiply the coefficient of X square with the constant term, it will be minus 30. And since it is negative, we need two numbers whose difference should be the coefficient of X, that is 7. Here we don't consider the sign, only the number we have to consider. Now this 30 can be written as 1 into 30 or 2 into 15 or 3 into 10 or 5 into 6. Here we need two numbers whose difference should be 7. So here 10 minus 3 is 7 and 10 into 3 is 30. So instead of 7 we can write 10 minus 3. So it will be X square minus 10X minus minus plus thrice X minus 30 equals to 0. From first two I can take X common. We are left with X minus 10. From last two, plus 3 can be taken common. X minus 10 equals to 0. Again X minus 10 can be taken common. So it will be X minus 10 into X plus 3 equals to 0. Either X minus 10 equals to 0 or X plus 3 equals to 0. From here X equals to 10 and from here X equal to minus 3. But number of days cannot be negative, so we are rejecting this part. Therefore X equal to 10 we have to consider. Therefore A takes 10 days to complete the work and B takes 5 days more. So 10 plus 5, 15 days to complete the work alone. I hope this sum is clear, and there are only two sums in this exercise. So that's all for today. In the next section, I am going to start chapter 6, that is triangles, from class 10 Embossed textbook. Till then, bye bye, take care and wait for the next part.